You might be wondering whether you should design something like a website from scratch, or you might be asking yourself, how do others create great design? And the best answer is by getting inspired from others. So now you might say, well, how do I get inspired? Well, you can get inspired by visiting websites such as Dribbble.com. Dribbble is a website that allows you to see great web design, product design, and a lot of other good stuff. For the purpose of this class, let's say we're trying to design a startup landing page. So under web design, you can type in startup landing page. Currently, I'm not logged in, so I won't be able to save this design. So make sure to create your account, and once you create an account, you'll be able to save your designs. So once I'm logged in, I'm able to save this design. So for the purpose of this exercise, let's say I'm interested in this design, I can create a new collection, name it to startup landing page, and press on create collection. I'll have a collection created, and to that collection, let's say I'm interested in this design, I can add that to the startup landing page. And you can add as many as you want, but having 3 is good enough to get you started in the landing page that you're trying to create. So now under your profile, you can go to your collections, and under my collections we have startup landing page, and we can see the 3 landing pages we've picked. If you're looking for a website that provides more detail, visit Behance. And here, if we type in startup landing page, and if we just open one of them, we can see that they're very detailed in comparison to the examples in Dribbble. In summary, before going and designing your app or website, it is recommended to see what other people in your domain are doing, just so that you don't have to design everything from scratch.